Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to see who saved your Instagram post. So let's head over to the Instagram application. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now go to a post or a reel that you have posted. Suppose this one. So if you have this one and your account is a professional account, then you can get the insights. So head over to the three dots of the post on the top right. Now you find the option of view insights in just under the adjust preview option. So tap on view insights. It will lead you to a page which will show you how many people have liked the post, the comments, the share numbers, the shared history, and the saved counts. So you can see the overview, the views count, interactions, how many likes, saves, shares, comments, and how many accounts have been engaged, and by this post how many profile visits you got or follows you got, everything. So yeah, all you need to do is just to make your account a professional account, and then you can get these insights. So this is how you can see who saved your Instagram post. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.